Hello everyone, myself Dr. M.V. Durga Prasad, Assistant Professor, Department of Dravyaguna. Today we are going to deal detailed drugs in Dravyaguna, that is mainly paper 2. First drug is Agaru. It is said as one among the aromatic drugs. So Nirukti of the Agaru, Besonim, Na Guru Yasmat Tat Agaru. The wood of Agaru is heavy by weight, but it is light by nature. That is Gunataha, it is Lagu. So another Nirukti, that is Age Parvate Rohati iti. Here the tree grows in Parvata, that is hilly regions. Coming to the synonyms, Anaryakam. Anaryakam means the tree grows in hilly region. Krimijagdam. Krimijagdam means the aromatic part of the plant is formed by fungus infestation. So Krimijam, Krimijagdam both are having same meaning. Jongakam, it is commonly grown in Giri, that is mountain hilly regions. Yogajam, the useful part of the plant is aromatic heartwood. Dupavasam, heartwood is the useful part and it is aromatic. Because of aromatic nature we can use it in perfumery industries. Pravaram, the drug is Sreshtam and it is potent, that's why it is called as Pravaram. So coming to the regional names, English it is called Eaglewood, Hindi it is called Agar, Kannada it is called Krishnagaru, Marathi it is called Agar, Malayalam it is called Akhil. Botanical name Aquilaria agalocha, family Thymelaceae, Kula Agarukula. Coming to the classical reference, that is in Ganavargikarana, classical classification, that is Ganavargikarana, Sushruta mentioned under Sita Prashamana, Swasahara, Sushruta mentioned under Eladi, Salasaradi, Bhavaprakasha mentioned under Karpuradi Varga. Almost all aromatic drugs are mentioned under Karpuradi Varga in Bhavaprakasha. Coming to taxonomical classification, kingdom Plantae, class Dicotyledon, orders Thymeliales, family Thymelaceae, genus Aquilaria, species Agalocha. Coming to the habitat, eastern India and Assam regions, it is commonly Assam and Manipur, etc. it is grown. So in Assam, there is a special variety of Agaru is grown, that is Krishna Agaru. So according to Rajanigantu, there are varieties of Agaru is there. Total 5 varieties are there. Swado Agaru, Krishna Agaru, Kasta Agaru, Daha Agaru, Mangalya Agaru. Among these 5 types of Agaru, best variety is Mangalya Agaru according to Rajanigantu. Coming to the morphology, it is a evergreen large tree. So if you see here, it is very large. That is, height of the tree will be more. Coming to the leaves, they are simple and linear lanceolate. So coming to the flowers, they are very small, greenish, slender, pilous pedicels. Coming to the fruit, it is capsule. Fruit is a capsule. Useful part, heartwood. If you see here, there is a differentiation between heartwood, sapwood and bark. So if heartwood only collected, then it will be black like this. And if heartwood and sapwood both are there, then you can see the differentiation. The sapwood will be white in color or pale in color. If you come to the heartwood, it is infested. Because of that, it will be color changed to the black color. If you come to the formation of agarwood, it is mainly formed due to a insect bite. That is, the insect name is Ambrosia beetle. It is commonly affecting the wood and oily resin part of the plant. So because of that infestation, to counter that infection, the plant start producing the resins, oleoresins, that will deposit inside the heartwood and it will start changing color to pale, being to yellow, then orange, red, dark brown, then black. So that is the formation of agarwood. Coming to the categories, according to in market, there is a grading for the category of the agar. Grade 1 is black agar and it is also called true agar. Grade 2 is bantang. Grade 3 is booth and pooth. Grade 4 is dam. These are the categories. Coming to the chemical composition, main chemical composition is liridonin, agarol, agarospirol, selenin and acylocin. These are the main chemical compositions of agar. Coming to the rasa panchaka, it is said as rasa is katu tikta rasa, guna lagu snigdha tikshna guna, virya is ushna and vipaka is katu. So whenever we have said the nirukti as na guru yasmat tadaguru, so that's why it is lagu. It is having oleoresins. That may be the reason it is having snigdha guna. So tikshna guna, why tikshna guna means it is having aromatic nature. The gandha of the drug is very penetrating, that tikshnatvat. So it is tikshna guna. So coming to the karma, tvachya, karna rogahara, akshi rogahara, shita prashamana and kushtagna. So tvachya means skin diseases, karna rogahara, that is all types of ear disorders, akshi rogahara, all types of eye disorders, shita prashamana, so shita jvara prashamana, mainly shita jvara prashamana. So coming to the doshagnata, vata kapha nashaka, rogagnata, kasa, swasa, hikka, shota, lavanameha and kushta. Amayika prayoga, hikka, agaru churna with madhu, effective in hikka, swasa, kasa. Lavanameha, in lavanameha, Shushruta said as quata of pata and agaru. This is the pata and agaru is used for the lavanameha. Shota means infestations or any inflammation. In lepa of chanda is Angelia glauca, this is the plant, and agar together it is applied externally. Coming to the dose, churna is 5 to 15 rati, that is 625 mg to 1.8 grams. Thaila is 1 to 2 drops. Coming to the compound formulations, agaruvadi thaila used in shita jvara, madhukasava used in grahani dosha, amlaki rasayana used as a rasayana, lavangadi churna, kasa swasa hikka, anutaila urdhvajatrugata rogas. Coming to the classical reference, agarushnam katutvacham tiktam tikshnam cha pittalam lagu karnakshirogagnam shitavata kapha. It is saying that agaru is ushna guna, it's ushna, virya, katu, tikta rasa, tikshna guna, and it is pitta kara, which increases pitta, and lagu guna, karnakshirogagnam, it reduces the diseases related to the, it cures or reduces the diseases related to the karna and akshi, and shita, vata, kapha, pranut, that means vata, kapha, pranut, vata, kapha, hara, along with shita hara. So Krishna guna adhikam, that means Krishna agaru compared to normal agaru, it is guna adhikam, qualities are double.